So I'm doing some late night repairs on our fleet trucks. Doing a hose reel repair on this electric hose reel, just got it done. This is Batman, this is Flash, this is Superman, this is our brand new one, and this is Aquaman. I didn't even know the name, it's so new. That over there is Green Lantern. But if you need some outdoor cleaning, please let us know. We can get your exterior cleaning done. We also have our other part of our fleet over here. We have Green Lantern, the Hulk, Captain America, Spider-Man, and Iron Man, ready to meet your cleaning needs. Call or go online to our website for your free in-person estimate. We will see you at your house or business soon. Like and subscribe.